So here is the comparison between Ecwid, Shopify, and WordPress, three platforms that you can use to launch and run an e-commerce store. You can click on the links down in the description if you want to try Ecwid or Shopify or WordPress. Ecwid is a lightweight e-commerce solution that lets you easily add a store to any existing website, including WordPress, Wix, or even a Facebook page. It's incredibly simple to set up, doesn't require much tech knowledge, and works well for small businesses that want to sell a few products without building a full e-commerce site. It's affordable, integrates smoothly with social platforms, and doesn't force you to rebuild your site from scratch. That said, it's more limited in terms of customization and advanced features compared to larger platforms. Shopify is an all-in-one hosted platform that gives you everything you need to launch a professional online store quickly. It handles hosting, security, payments, and support, so you can focus on selling, not troubleshooting. It's great for fast-growing businesses and people who want a clean, easy-to-manage experience. However, Shopify comes with monthly costs and extra fees for apps or advanced features, which can add up as you scale. WordPress offers the most control and flexibility out of the three. It's an open-source platform that lets you fully customize your store with thousands of themes and plugins. If you already use WordPress or want total design freedom and control over every aspect of your store, it's a great option, but it does require more hands-on work, and you're responsible for hosting, updates, and security. So if you want to add a simple online store to an existing site or social page with minimal setup, go with Ecwid. If you want a user-friendly, powerful, and ready-to-launch solution with everything included, Shopify is your best bet. And if you want full customization and don't mind handling the tech side, WordPress with WooCommerce is the way to go.